What's up, guys? B-Rap here, and today I'm going to review this Clif nut butter bar. I'll be right back. All right, here I have the Clif nut butter bar, and this is a chocolate and peanut butter plant protein bar. And if you are wondering how plant proteins can benefit a muscle building diet, please go and check out my last video I posted, which was actually the video before this video, which is the 3 muscle building benefits of plant-based proteins. So go check that out. I give you, the top 3 benefits of eating plant-based proteins from research that I did. But today I'm going to go ahead and review this, and I have not tried this yet, so this will be the first time. I was checking out in the store and saw this on the aisle and decided to go ahead and try it. Now, I do have a little disclaimer that I always do before I do these supplement reviews. My disclaimer is that my review of this product is not my recommendation for you to go out and buy it. It's just me sharing my personal experience. My recommendation is for you to strive to eat as natural and healthy as you possibly can. But if you decide to take supplements, please check with your doctor, make sure you're healthy enough, and also make sure that you follow all the directions on supplement labels. And that is my disclaimer. All right, so this I'm gonna follow a little bit of my review. I have my little review template right here. I'm gonna follow it a little bit. So what was I looking for when I saw this supplement? So actually I was in the checkout line and I saw this on the shelf, and it was about $1.68 plus tax. But believe me, I will be posting a link in the description to my using my Amazon associates link. So if you can use that, if you're interested in getting this, if you don't mind using my link to do that, that helps me out tremendously. Thank you so much for doing that. But what attracted me to this? Well, first, it's a Clif bar. I saw nut butter, and then I saw it was plant-based. And I'm like, well, let me just give it a try to review for you guys, but also for me. Also, just to have something new for a snack. So what did I pay for it? I paid $1.68 plus tax, and I think you saw the price in the video there. Where can you buy it? So actually, I was actually in Walmart, and when I saw this on the shelf, but I put a link to Amazon, and it's in the description where you can buy this also. And so I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate it. Again, I haven't had this product before, and so I don't know what it tastes like. It might be, so you're going to see it for the first time. Before I break into it, I do want to let you know that this bar has 230 calories, and see if I can show you some of the things there. 230 calories in this little bar. It's got 7 grams of plant protein in it, and the total proteins are 7 grams. So one bar, 230 calories, 7 grams of proteins. How many carbs? It actually has 2.5 grams of saturated fats, which is probably because it has peanut butter, I'm assuming. And so carbs, it has 26 grams of carbs in this bar. 26 grams and 7 grams of protein in this bar right here. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Again, I haven't tried this before, so I don't know. Hopefully it's not too bad, and you guys are going to have to see me chew. So I'm actually kind of hungry. It smells pretty good. Let's see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. Look at that. Like, I expected to say hidey ho, like Mr. Hanky. But anyways. Oh, look at that. So it's pretty soft, the way that it broke apart. So that's pretty cool. Looks pretty fresh. So it tastes, it's not bad at all. It tastes pretty good, actually. Definitely chocolate and peanut butter can definitely taste both. It tastes healthy. Not a bad taste. It almost tastes like one of those no-bake, healthy, no-bake, like protein balls or protein bars or whatever that that I see people doing. So not bad at all. What are the 3 best qualities that I experienced by this product? So 3 best qualities. Of course, I just tried it for my first time. Like I say, the taste isn't bad at all. So I like the taste, and can definitely taste. It's got peanut butter rolled oats, oat flour, brown rice syrup. So it's pretty good. Like all that, non-GMO, low glycemic. So that's good too. So three benefits is that um, it tastes good. It's a good replacement. Like if you're trying to get off of like candy bars and having desserts at night after dinner and things like that. I think this is a good replacement for that. And I think it's a good snack, especially for people who are trying to eat all plant-based. And I think this probably will do the trick for you. And again, I think it's pretty tasty. I like it. So I can't wait to finish the rest of it. It's made by Clif, and I think Clif does make some good bars. What are three downsides? So the downsides for me, and I just gotta warn you, I come from a muscle building mindset, right? So three downsides is for 230 calories and 26 carbs, and only to have 7 grams of protein. That's a problem for me. So I wish the protein was a little higher, even if it was like at least half of the carbs, right? So protein could have been higher, and that's pretty much all I have right now that I can think of that would be a downside to this. So how did this impact my workout? Well, I just tried it for the first time tonight. The way that this would impact your workout, though, would be part of your diet, right? So to just making sure that you get the right macronutrients in there. So this could be one of those ways. It's low glycemic, so it doesn't spike your sugar. So you could, if you're snacking on one of these throughout the day, to make sure you're just getting fed before you hit the gym, or maybe this is your meal like right before you go to the gym, early morning or something like that. Because it is a small bar, and I can see this being used for breakfast, right? So it's just one of those things where it would help with your diet and you going to the gym. But I don't see how it would have, other than curbing hunger before you go work out, and you're distracted because you're really hungry. This would keep you from that, but I don't see how it would directly impact your workout other than just supporting your diet. How do I rate this product on a scale from 1 to 10, with 10 being the best? I give this product I give it a 7. So I'll give it a 7. Again, the macros are off for me, and so this would be, if I'm reaching for like a candy bar or this, and I don't want the sugar spikes that a candy bar would give me, I would give this. And the price is about the same of a candy bar, right? And it tastes really good, tastes really fresh. So, but I give it a 7 because it does taste good, and it's a healthy thing, if you don't mind getting the carbs. And so I think it's fine. How could you use this product? Kind of like what I mentioned, you can use this product to support your diet, right? Especially if you're plant-based, or if you just want to eat some plant-based protein and want a plant-based treat and not have so much of the animal-based products in your food, then this would be something you can do. I would say that, if you had this with a protein shake too, maybe if you have one of those lower gram protein shakes. For me, I try to get at least 25 grams of protein before I consider it a true meal. So having this with the protein shake, because the new protein shakes ready to drink, and even the ones you mix don't have much of carbs in it, right? So this and a protein shake, I can see those two being paired together, and that could be one of the ways that you would use it to get probably some rounded off protein and good macros. Anyways, hopefully this helped you. Please follow me on Instagram at thisisb_Rob. And if you're from the channel, from watching my YouTube videos, please make sure you DM me. Let me know that. And I love when you guys do that. And I know you're seeing me here, and now you're following me over there. Feel free to check out my website. That's thisisbrob.com. And so I actually do coaching, so you can look at my website. I got some digital courses coming out that I'm putting together right now. So I think it's something that can benefit you, especially if you're looking at dealing with, want to build your confidence and find your purpose and things like that. I coach all that good stuff. All right. So check me out there. But thank you for tuning in, and please like, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you for tuning in. This is B Rob.